Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at the outstanding DC12V 2.3ft 70cm V-type charging cable wire generator charging cable cord specifically designed for Yamaha ET950 generators. Made with high-quality materials, this charging cable boasts excellent conductivity and durability, ensuring a reliable power supply for your generator. The fine workmanship translates into good performance, making it easy to install and use. Its V-shaped design perfectly suits the Yamaha ET950 generators, providing a snug fit and efficient charging. With a wire diameter of 16 AWG and a cable length of 70 cm, it offers flexibility in installation while maintaining optimal charging capabilities. Operating at DC12V, this charging cable is designed to meet the power requirements of your generator. Plus, with one piece included in the packing, you're all set to enhance your generator's charging efficiency. Whether you're powering up your personal computer or any other compatible device, this male-to-male connector ensures seamless connectivity. So if you're looking for a reliable charging solution for your Yamaha ET950 generator, the outstanding V-type charging cable wire is definitely worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.